ಮಾತೆರ್ಲಿಡೆ ಬತ್ತಿದು ಪನ್ಪೆರ್ಕಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಹೇರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್‌ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಮಲ್ಪೊಲಿ. ಲಾಂಗ್ ಹೇರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್‌ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉದ್ದ ಕೂದಲನ್ನ ತೆಗ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡುದಾ? No. Long hair transplant doesn't mean that we are extracting follicles long hair. It's just a term. This has been practiced before too. It's just like transplant done without trimming. Now, who can do it? People who have got long hair and who have got good density. They are the only one who can go for long hair transplant. We have done many cases without trimming. So here are a few pics like how it will look when you do the transplant without trimming. So we are going to shave on the backside of the hair and all the area required. After 3 months, how it look also, I'll be sharing you the pic. You can just see that. And then the results are also amazing. You can see in 9 to 12 months. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲಾಂಗ್ ಹೇರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್‌ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಕೇಳುದಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಉದ್ದ ಕೂದಲನಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅದು ಉದ್ದ ಕೂದಲು ಬರುದಂತ. ಆ ಥರ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡನ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್.